67 Chevelle, guys. This is a tribute car. Real clean engine compartment. 396 big block. You have power steering, new booster for the power disc, brakes, factory manifolds, upgraded aluminum radiator, argent hinges and latches. If you didn't know, that's the color that they're supposed to be. You learn something every day. Really beautiful paint job. Underneath is gorgeous. You got to check out my photos. Factory wheels. Great stance. Very aggressive. Love it. Dual exhaust sounds excellent. Chrome trim, leather stripping, glass, all in great condition, along with the convertible power top. Beautiful matching interior. Seat belts all intact. Console car. Buckets, upgraded radio, upgraded gauges, along with the stock gauges. Beautiful interior. Sounds great. Tiny little blemish right in here. From 5 feet away, you can't even see it, guys. And a little blemish on this side as well. I mean, here, from back here, you can't even see it from 5 feet away. When you zoom in, there is a little touch up there. Excellent door jambs. Brand new carpet. Horn functions, wipers work, lights work, tachometer works. Oil pressure gauge functions. No overheating issues whatsoever. Sounds good, right? Yeah. Speedo functions as well. So we're here at MGM with over 225 cars. We own them all. There is no floor plan. There is no borrowed money. We put our money where our mouth is, and we buy good cars, guys, and go through them, tell you about them, and we make a little money. Don't get me wrong. That's what we all do going to work every day, right? It's a great deal on this 67. It's a great, great tangible asset to have. It increases in value as the years continue here for us. We're getting older and older. Shifter. We're going to go down the street here and back just for a quick. I hope there's no cops. This has got some power, guys. Don't let it kid you. I'll bust a U-turn right here. I didn't see any cops, so I might be able to get on it a little bit, which I love to do. That's what these cars are built for, man. Whoa! Whoa! Damn! I don't think this is a stock car. It sounds stock. Holy cow. This thing goes, man. Almost bounced the camera off the windshield. Anyway, guys, my name's Thomas. I'm here at MGM Classic Cars. This thing really got my blood going, man. Woo! Give me a call at 847-848-1850. You can text me as well. I'll be more than happy to answer any and all your questions for you. You know where to reach me. If you want to check out more photos and on the website, go to mgmclassiccars.com. Thank you for watching. Financing is available and delivery.